Hey, what's up, my little tattletales? Yo, come in, shut the door, sit down, we gotta talk. Yo, Kim Kardashian actually admitted that the charges that Blac Chyna was making about them, special meetings, secret things, cozying up to the judge's court and clerk and all this stuff actually is true. Now listen, they're trying to skirt it under, they're trying to deny it, but we even have them quoting directly. And baby, we got the details why. Y'all ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Hit that like button. Okay, come on. Let's get into this mess. Okay, first of all, and this is the most important thing we have to talk about, right? I have exclusive court documents between Blac Chyna, her motion, and also what Michael's response was. This is public information, but it's going to take a little digging to get it, so you know your girl got it. I'm going live to go over those court documents at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be live to go over all these court documents, you guys. It is going to blow your mind how much we've been lied to. But let's get into what they are willing to admit, right? Kim Kardashian fires back at Blac Chyna's claim of unethical secret meeting during trial. Now get this, right? Kim and her family did not deny a secret meeting with the court clerk during their trial with Blac Chyna, but scoffed at the suggestion that the judge was biased in their favor. If you guys don't know what's going on, it is highly unethical for anybody in the judge's chambers, especially the court clerk, to be cozy or show bias in any way. Why is that? If you guys don't know, the court clerk, usually who is in charge of running the judge's courtroom, motions, making sure people do this, they literally are the person behind the curtains. Now, when it comes to Judge Alarcon, or how I like to call him, Judge a liar and a con, his court clerk has double the problems, because people have said through numerous complaints through lawyers, they are anonymous complaints, but they still are complaints through lawyers. Judge Alarcon was literally had a rich father. He was appointed to be the judge. He doesn't understand the law. He is starstruck. Cronyism. I have details. I know that TMZ and Radar try to, well, not even Radar, but TMZ tries to act like Lynn Chiani just did a few things and let it fall. No, mama went into detail and she actually has evidence. And get this, Judge a liar and a con didn't even do due process right when he rejected Lynn's thing to have him recuse ourselves. But I'll get into that into the exclusive live at 5 p.m. In the meantime, let's get into how Kim and her family were caught red-handed, and they're not denying that secret meeting. How unethical it is for the judge's right-hand person to be so starstruck that you're bringing your daughter in to work with you to literally request a secret meeting upstairs with the Kardashians. They shouldn't even, with their secret room, right? Now get this, according to court documents, Chyna sued, of course, Rob's family for the false accusations. Now everybody tries to say that Chyna lost her case. She was asking for money. They did not award her money. And that narrow farm, they lost the case. However, the court documents I have are going to reveal that she won on a lot of stuff. That's one of the reasons it's being overturned, right? But they did find that Rob was not abused by Chyna. It was either completely not true or substantially not true. And they also found that the Kardashians had no way of believing that it was true, right? Now let's get into the motion to disqualify the judge, which was denied. Here's the thing. My sources are telling me the judge illegally denied that motion, y'all. And listen, I got the deets, but let's get into this, right? Chyna's attorney laid out the case for why Chyna was treated unfairly. And for all y'all saying, oh my God, pack your bags, it's over. It ain't over until Rob Kardashian sings. But not even that. All jokes aside, this happened the same thing with Brad and Angelina. Angelina accused the judge of bias, asked for the judge to recuse himself. The judge said, absolutely not. There's no reason to. They went through a whole case. The judge gave Brad, wouldn't allow the children to testify, gave Brad all these like perks and whatnot, at least in my opinion. And at the end of the day, gave Brad back custody. And guess what? That whole case got overturned, and they have to go to trial again because they literally said the judge should have recused himself and he was biased. For those of you guys think it doesn't happen, it 100% happens. Now get this, right? One of the many reasons that Lynn was asking for the judge to recuse himself was a secret meeting between the court clerk and the Kardashian-Jenner family set up by Kim's lawyer, Michael Rhodes. Now ask yourself why Michael Rhodes would agree to grant the court's clerk, which is a hugely powerful and indispensable position and one that you must remain biased, would allow the judge's clerk to come upstairs and grant the Kardashian-Jenners a private audience. They weren't granting private audiences to anybody else. Nobody else was saying. The fact that she even brought her daughter into work, it lets you know, in my key, that it was planned out. She had asked prior. Now get this. Gianni said it all started when she noticed Rhodes and her clerk having a chummy conversation. The clerk is not supposed to show any bias, which caused Lynn some concern. She walked over and asked what the two had discussed. The clerk unabashedly and even giddy informed me that she was asking Michael Rhodes if her adult daughter could meet the defendants in a private meeting because her daughter was a huge fan of the Kardashians. Lynn also went on to say that she was stunned at the audacity of the clerk to act so openly biased in favor of the Kardashian defendants in front of me. The next day, she noticed the clerk was gone and replaced by another employee. Gianni said she was told eyewitnesses saw the original clerk and her adult daughter enter a private and secure room where the Kardashian-Jenner family was located. Lynn goes on to say, upon information and belief, it is rumored that the clerk and her adult daughter secured autographs and photos with the defendants. Get this, in the Kardashians' response, Rhodes didn't deny the meeting ever happened. He argued the judge did not approve of any unethical conduct and pointed out the clerk was replaced by a new clerk a few days into the trial. I exclusively did report that, just saying. It didn't show up on any of the major things, but I did report that. Michael Rhodes argued that Lynn should have raised the issue during the trial and not after the court lost. As a matter of fact, Lynn did raise the issue. Lynn did say, and she, actually, you know what? Let me roll that back because I have the court documents. We're going to go over them today at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys, if you like this video, you know I'm trying to grow to 1 million. I know I got so many hundreds of thousands to go, but your like or your subscription can be one that gets me closer to my goal. I would really appreciate it if you guys do like my content and the way I'm delivering it. But even if you don't, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys. You guys, it is going to be good. I have the actual court documents. They are not old documents. They are recent documents. It has all the juice and all the tea, and your mind is going to be blown when you see how much everybody has been lying, how much everybody has been omitting the truth, how much everybody has been trying it. You know your girl always got the goods, and today is no exception. So make sure you join me 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.